In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove Ollama from a Mac. So I have the application open here. If we go to select the application, we can go to About Ollama and we can see the version number. As well as if we try to go to Settings, there's no option for removing it from the application. If we go to the terminal, we can also check out if Ollama is running. We're going to do Ollama flag V for version, and you can see it returns the same version. So I have it running here, and we want to remove it. So I'm going to close out the app here. I'm going to go to my Finder in a Mac, and I'm going to look for Ollama, which I have here. So we're going to grab it. We're actually going to drag it to the trash bin. You're going to get this message that says it can't be deleted or it can't be moved to the trash because it's open. So we'll go up here. We'll click and quit Ollama. All right, so it should be quit. And then we're going to try again to drag it to the trash, and it worked that time. And we're going to right click and empty out the trash. So we're permanently deleting that. And let's go back to our terminal. We'll open up a new terminal. And let's try this again. Ollama flag V. All right, so that's good. So it says the application can't be found. Now, there will be some leftover files, and we can verify if those files exist by running this command. So we're going to cd into .ollama. And now see, we've cd'd into the Ollama file. So the files are actually still there, but the application's been removed. So next we're going to do is we're going to run this command. We're going to do remove recursively. The same command from above, the folder location, .ollama. And when we hit this, it's going to remove all the Ollama files. So we'll cd. We'll try and cd back into that. Cd Ollama. And now you can see it's saying that this does not exist. This directory does not exist, right? My user James, that .ollama is deleted. So now we've successfully deleted the Ollama application, right? It's no longer in our terminal, and we've deleted any remaining files. So it should be completely removed from our device. If you have any questions, leave me a comment and I can help you out. Thank you for watching this video. If you found any value in it, please give me a like, subscribe, and follow along for more videos.